Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I want to go through some new data that shows that the hedgies are running out of steam, and how today could be the day that the AMC short squeeze really starts getting underway. So stay tuned and let's make some money. But guys, before I get into the video, please be sure to drop a like down below and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, so that you don't miss another video just like this one. And now I want to dive straight in with the key information. And I want to start by going over today's trade plan and what might likely happen today. As you can see so far, yesterday we closed around the $57, $58 mark, and we seem to be pretty much in the middle of both of these small little pendants or small little flags. Today I think we'll likely see a continuation of yesterday's move upwards towards the tip of this part of the flag, part of the pendant, around $63. At that point I think there's going to be a bit of an inflection moment and a decision time. Either we're going to come back down, back towards $45, or break through the pendant and the short squeeze will commence. As we can see from Ortex, between Monday and Tuesday, the short interest, shares on loan and estimated short interest percentage all fell. On Monday, the estimated short interest was 71.5 million, which on Tuesday fell to around 70 million. Per Ortex's Twitter, on Wednesday, there was a very marginal increase in the short interest, and therefore it seems that the hedgies aren't increasing their short position any further. Let's take a look at the dark pool data and see what's been going on there. Now I think this is the meat and potatoes of it. As we can see, we've got the dark pool data here from StockGrid, and if I scroll down and start looking at the net shorts or the short interest, we can see that over the last few weeks, the amount of new shorts has been falling substantially. Also, yesterday we saw the smallest amount of additional shorts that we've seen in the last few weeks. Therefore, I think the hedgies are really starting to run out of ammunition, and I think the squeeze is imminent. If the hedgies can't add any more fuel to the fire, then they're just going to get stuck and lose the battle. Us apes are just going to keep on buying the stock and holding the stock and refusing to sell the stock, and therefore the price is going to continue going up because the hedgies aren't going to be able to hold it down for much longer. If we have a look at Stonk O Tracker, we can see that the SRM Trigger Price is around 52.47, and therefore even if the hedgies do try their hardest to plough loads of new shorts into the market, they can't really drop the price that much before the SSR is activated and they can no longer short. Although guys, I do want to just quickly clarify that when I say that they can't short at all, I don't necessarily mean at all. SSR obviously only prevents hedgies and other people from shorting on a downtick, and therefore when the stock is falling, a hedge fund can't issue new shorts or can't take a larger short position. So a hedge fund can't short here, hedge fund can't short here, they can't short here, or they can't short here, but obviously they can add to their short position as the stock is increasing. But obviously if the buying power outweighs that selling power or that shorting power, the stock price is still going to go up, even if the hedge funds are adding to their short positions. In a way, it kind of just prevents the AMC stock, or any stock out there really, from being beaten down too hard if the stock is already falling, which is obviously great for us apes because it means that they can't add and cause the AMC stock to fall faster, but we can still add and make it rise faster. In addition to this, we've already got 34,900, nearly 35,000 calls expiring in the money, and an additional 91,500, nearly 92,000 calls expiring near the money at $60. Considering the AMC stock is currently at $58, yesterday it hit $60 and went past $60 and is likely to do that again. The market makers are going to have to hedge and purchase hundreds of thousands of AMC shares on the open market in case people want to exercise their call options instead of letting them expire and purchase those shares. And therefore guys, I really think that today could be the day that we have an inflection point and a decision time. I think if we likely ride up towards the top of this pendant or the top of this flag, there's going to be a decision and we'll either break through this pendant and potentially test all-time highs and potentially exceed those all-time highs, starting off the short squeeze. Guys, if you want to invest into AMC but you haven't yet picked up some shares, be sure to check out the links down in the description below to get some free stock. You can currently get 2 free shares with Webull at the moment, worth up to $1,850. And if you're from the UK or from Europe, Free Trader offering a free share worth up to £200. And as always guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out some of my others. Alternatively, subscribe to the channel and ding that notification bell, because that way you'll be alerted when I upload a new video. Cheers!